Hi everyone, this is Mr. Nu. In this video we will look at DreamActor M1, which is the ByteDance model for human image animation which is released recently. So DreamActor M1 is revolutionary AI for human image animation. You can discover the next generation of human image animation with DreamActor M1. So I will give you an overview of DreamActor M1. So it's a state-of-art diffusion transformer (DIT) based framework for creating realistic human animation from a single image. It has holistic control, which provide fine-grained controls for both facial expression and body movements. It has multi-scale adaptability, which works seamlessly from portraits to full body views. It has temporal coherence, which maintains a consistency in long videos. So DreamActor M1's technical method. So I'll let you know about the technical method. So I will also show you how it is done in actual. So the first one is hybrid motion guidance. It combines three complementary control signals for fine-grained animation control, which provides implicit facial representation for expressions, 3D head sphere for position and rotation, 3D body skeleton for movement, and bone length. It provides second complementary appearance, which is multi-reference strategy to maintain consistency in unseen regions. It provides samples distinct poses from movements. It generates multi-frame references. It propagates detail across video segments. It provides progressive training, that is three-stage strategy to optimize different aspects of animation. That is stage 1, body skeleton and head spheres. Stage 2, add facial representation. Stage 3, fine-tune all parameters. So this is the technical workflow. It extracts control signals from driving video and extract implicit facial motion, 3D head spheres and 3D body skeletons. Then it generates references which create multi-view pseudo references for complementary appearance guidance. It has DIT processing processed through diffusion transformer with hybrid guidance integration. So what is the innovation details? So in implicit facial representation, unlike conventional facial landmarks, their method uses learned representations that capture subtle expression details while decoupling identity. It has 3D head spheres which provide intuitive control over head position and rotation, particularly effective for preserving unique head structures. In terms of bone length adjustment, it normalizes skeletal proportions between reference and driving subjects, allowing better adaptation to different body types. So this is the DreamActor M1's performance result, how it scores with various other models out there. So in terms of Act 1, Sky Relay 1, Mimic Motion, Dispose, which are the other models that is there. So now let's head to the actuals where I'll show you how you can do it. So this is the screen. You upload a source portrait, upload a driving video, which is like the video that is driving the source portrait. So whatever you want to make that source portrait, that should be in the driving video. Then you click on generate animation and the animation button below to generate the animation that is required. So I will choose a image. So let's choose this image. Now I can drop a video here. So let me drop this video, which is already a sample there. So as you can see, this is the motion that I want to generate in this image. Now after I do that, what I will do is I will come here and say animate. So it will take some time for processing. So I have already generated the processed video. So now this is the output I got after doing that. Now if you look at it, if you look at this, you can see how it is moving. See the image. It is moving as per what I wanted. This image has been converted into a video. So this is the bigger image. So here you will be able to see. You can see the details, the facial details here. So this is how we use AI for doing different things for human animation. So this will work with any model, that is to animate any video. We can full body model also, it will work. So these are various other examples out there. See, this is the relative examples that is there, which is being used. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.